When the job calls for a simple, reliable, battery-powered smoke alarm that's quick to install and built to get the job done, the MATelec Australia DET SMK DC1 and DET SMK DC10 deliver practical, everyday value. With no wiring required, both models are quick and straightforward to install, helping reduce time on site. Designed for a wide range of applications, they're ideal for compliant residential installations where standalone smoke alarms are permitted, as well as caravans, cabins and tiny homes. Available with either a replaceable 1-year battery or a sealed, non-replaceable 10-year lithium battery as an option to suit every application. Backed by a 7-year warranty and expert MATelec Australia support, the new standalone smoke alarm range delivers reliable protection and everyday value. And like every MATelec Australia smoke alarm, it's backed by the Smarter Smoky guarantee. Compliant, complete support guaranteed.